Hi everyone, welcome to Cypress tutorial. In previous tutorial, I will explain about the example test suite in Cypress. Now, let's write our first test. I show you how to create and run a basic test step by step. So let's begin. First, open the VS Code CMT and type here code dot. Now, VS Code is open and here you can view the basic examples are available here, and here advanced examples are available. So create a new file here, right click on E2E, new file, and then type here basics.cy.js. As you can view, after typing the .js, we can view this icon. Now, write the first test here, describe, and then visit website, because now we will visit this website. We need to enter this URL. So first use describe and visit website. This is group of test case, and then create a function here. Now, inside create a test case here, always we need to enter it for creating a test case, and then remove this, just enter here it, and then enter visit the website, because in this test case we just visit the website. So here enter visit the website inside this code, comma, and then round brackets. This is our first test case. Now navigate to the URL by using cy.visit. We need to enter cy.visit for navigate to the URL, and then enter URL here. Inside this round brackets, we need to enter the URL here. Let's enter the URL inside this round brackets. Copy this URL and paste here. Now we can run the test. First, understand about this describe and it. Describe, this is used to group related tests together. It helps organize your test suite, and it this describes an individual test case. Each block contains steps to perform a specific test. For opening the Cypress, we need to enter the command here, npx cypress open. This is the command for opening the Cypress, and then click on enter. Now it will open the Cypress, and we need to select here end-to-end testing. In previous tutorial, I have already described how you can configure end-to-end testing. Click on configured, and then click on start end-to-end testing in Chrome. Here you can select the browsers. Now we need to select this basic.cy.js. This is the test file. Click on this basic. Your tests are loading. Now it will navigate to this URL. As you can view, visit to the website, visit website. Here we enter visit website, and the second the test name, which is visit the website. We can run this again test. Just click on this refresh button, run all test. This is the complete URL of the website. You can run the test multiple times. Now change something here. Let's enter the invalid URL here, 404.html, and save. As you can view, we do not need to run the test. All the changes reflecting by default. Let's clear this. We can run this test because we enter the invalid URL. We can view the error 404 not found. Let's correct the URL and save. Now you can view, navigate to this URL. That is for today's tutorial on writing first test. Stay tuned for more tutorials. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SK World. See you in the next video.